Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing a review of Fenty Hair. So I didn't get the PR, but I purchased 5 things from the line and I'm about to wash my hair. So I'm super excited to try these out. When I saw that Riri was launching Fenty Hair, I was very excited about it. I am in this era where I want to take better care of my hair. I'm now 20 months postpartum and I've been seeing a lot of hair loss, especially on my temples. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I got the Rich One Moisture Repair shampoo and I'm very excited to see how these smell. I know Rihanna was talking about people are gonna be passing you and they're gonna get a whiff of your hair and it's gonna be smelling so good. I also got the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. I didn't get the regular conditioner because my hairstylist told me I should be deep conditioning every time I wash my hair, so I'm just gonna be using this after I shampoo. Then I got the Home Curl Defining Cream. So when I have my natural hair out, I like to do twist out. I also got the controlling type hair thickening edge control. I use a lot of edge control and I do want to get one that's not gonna like take my hair out because my edges are like really thinning. So I'm hoping that this will be good. And then the last product I got was the protective type 5-in-1 heat protect and styler. So I've been blow drying my hair a lot. I got my hair blown out. I've been flat ironing my hair because I had some textured clip-ins. So a heat protector is like #1 on my list for styling. So I'm excited to try this out as well. So it says it's a 5-in-1 leave-in for every style: smooth, detangle, defrizz, hydrate, and heat up to 450 Fahrenheit. So we love that. The packaging is nice. It's plastic. It's a hard plastic. I love that the tops have this kind of pattern on them. Love that. Love the colors of everything. Okay, so let's smell it. So when you open it up, oh, this one has a little cover over it. Oh, okay, so this is the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Yo, this smells really good. Okay. All right, I see what they're talking about. Yeah, wow, this smells really good. So all of them have this like protective little cap on it. This is smelling good. Getting even more excited. And the shampoo is in an aluminum bottle, so it's pretty cool. I like that. Let's get into the wash day. I really like the shampoo. There was a good amount of slip. I was able to detangle my hair just with my fingers, and I had to use quite a bit, but I think that this is gonna last me some time. I really love the smell. This filled the shower, so yeah, I know my hair is gonna be smelling amazing after this wash. I didn't have to go in twice because my hair was pretty clean. I had washed my hair like 2 weeks before, so this conditioning shampoo was just fine for me. It rinsed out really nicely and I would highly recommend this shampoo. I'm excited to see if they will come out with a clarifying shampoo in the future. I feel like that would be another great addition. And then I went in with the deep conditioner. This product I think is my favorite out of everything that I tried. Love it. The slip in this is actually really good. You can detangle your hair with this product. I put on a plastic bag and I left it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I think it did an amazing job. My hair was feeling so soft after and also smelling good. So yeah, this was a win-win for me. I use this every time I wash my hair now. After about 10 minutes, I took the plastic bag off and my hair was feeling really soft. And then I detangled some more with a comb. And this was a really easy process. I feel like these products have helped me to cut down my wash day to like 2 hours tops. And that's with washing my hair and styling my hair, which is like unheard of for me. And I have 4C hair, so y'all, I love this combo. The hydrating shampoo and the deep conditioner are my 2 favorites from Fenty Hair. The rinse out process was also very easy. This didn't take long. And I have been using this canopy shower head. So I'm gonna have a review on my channel coming up soon about this. It's a filtered shower head. I have a canopy and I have a Jolie. So I think I'm gonna do a comparison video to just talk about both of them because I've really been enjoying this filtered water. I think it's been a game changer for my hair and for my skin. So yeah, that will be coming soon. But after I got out of the shower, this is how my hair was looking and it was feeling so soft. I was just obsessed with my hair, couldn't keep my hands out of it. For styling, I am using the Home Curl Defining Gel Cream,
And this is kind of where it took a turn for the worst. I wasn't sure how much of this product I should use, so I used a lot of it because I like slip, and this product doesn't have a lot of slip. So while I was doing my 2-strand twist, I was putting more of the home curl in, and I think that that was a mistake, right? Look at how much I'm putting in my hair, because even while I was doing the twist, I could see that there was a lot of product buildup, and you guys will see that coming up soon. Like in between the twist, you could see that it's still white. As I was putting this in, I was like, oh, maybe this will dry. You know, I've seen instances before, well, I've done my hair like this before where, you know, I put a lot of the product, but then it dries, but that never happened here. So yeah, you guys are gonna see the outcome. I had a lot of flakes in my hair, and I was so sad about that because I had such a great experience with the rinse off products. So I thought for sure the styling leave-in products were gonna be a hit for me, but it was user error. I think a little bit of user error and a little bit of formulation error, because you know why, right? Like, I shouldn't be having flakes in my hair even if I use too much of the product. And you know what? I don't even think I used that much of the product. So I was a bit baffled by this. But you can see, like, look, I'm twisting, I'm putting more in my hair because it's so much of the product. Anyway, so this is a reminder to you that if you're using this product, don't put too much. And also it does not mix well with other products, even other Fenty hair products. So just make sure that you're putting this on your hair with nothing else in it, because you're gonna get flaking as well. So yeah, I was able to do the twist, and then I put my bonnet on and I went to bed, and coming up you're gonna see how flaky my hair is.
So I took the twist out and my hair is very, very flaky. It almost looks like I have dandruff. And I think that's because I used the home curl defining cream, like too much of it. So I'm gonna jump into the shower and wash my hair again. I'm gonna do it very quickly because I don't want this to be a whole like long drawn out wash day all over again. So I'm gonna come back in another video to show you guys the results of that one, because I'm gonna give this another try. I honestly love the definition that it gave my hair. This is one of the best twist outs I've ever done, minus the flakes, of course. So I'm willing to give it another try. I know Miss Rihanna would not leave me hanging. If you've tried these products, let me know if this has happened to you. So learn from my mistake. Do not use too much of that product because it will flake. But I'm gonna wash my hair again, and I'll be back in the next video to give you guys an update.